everyone, I'm Kyle and I'm going to show you the things in the first aid kit, their importance and how to use it. The first aid kit is an essential item to have in your family home as it ensures that you are prepared to handle any injuries and emergencies if they happen. The things in the first aid kit are the following. Gauze. Gauze are ideal for covering cuts, scrapes, grazes, and minor burns. Triangular bandage. It's used for an arm sling or as a pad to control bleeding. Band-aid. Used to cover small cuts or wounds. Bandage tape. It's used to attach bandage, gauze, and other dressing to skin around wounds. Disposable gloves. It acts as a protective barrier to prevent the possible transmission of germs. Face mask to avoid getting an illness. Cotton, used for cleaning wounds as well as padding and protection. Scissors is used for cutting gauze and other bandages. Muscle pain relief fights inflammation and soothes muscle pain. And this is what we have in the second box. Nasal spray, it decongests the nose. Virgin coconut oil, used for massage. Petroleum Jelly, moisturizes the skin. Agua oxinada, cleans the wound. Betadine, for faster wound healing. Vicks Vaporub, it is used for clogged nose and minor cough. Herbal Oil, for insect bites. Efficacent oil for muscle pain. Alcohol to sanitize the wound. Ointment for minor rashes. Paracetamol for pain and fever. Disodrin for runny nose. Senicod for cough. Flotera for stomach aches. So guys, having a first aid kit ready in your home can help prevent an injury from getting worse and can definitely save life. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and stay safe now. Bye!